Omukwiguraho orukiiko oru President Museveni yasiima abebembezi omunam ahabw'okwesiga Uganda okwebembera orukiiko oru. Museveni yatangaza ko Uganda obwahati hamwe n'amahanga ga Africa bariyo nibakora munonga okurwanisa ebizibu ebimwe ebirimu nk'ekyanda, enjara hamwe n'ibura ry'amashanyarazi. Museveni yashaba amahanga ga NAM okukozesa science okutaho oburyo obw'okurwanisa ebigwererezi hamwe n'okugumya obusingye omu mahanga ga Africa.
It's not correct for people to mix up issues. I've told you that operation of man number one has been operation by nature. Here in Africa, we are still suffering from a bit of that. We get droughts, we get famine sometimes in some of the countries, lack of electricity, disease, we still have those burdens. But we are struggling to control them. Here in Uganda, we are struggling. Now the second operation is operation of man by man.
President Museveni yashobora ko butingana omu mahanga ga Africa kiteganisa enkurakurana kandi yashaba amahanga okukwatanisa na munonga omu kuyambana omu by'amakorero hamwe n'okukozesa ebi bakuba beekoriire.
Would worry that country X and B and C have come up out of poverty. They have come up, they are more prosperous. After all, if you want to do business, why do you want to do business with a poor man, a poor partner? How much would he buy from you? Why don't we want all our partners to be prosperous so that we can do better business? Business is production and consumption. If you produce and nobody buys, there will be no business. So it is very important for all of us to understand this dynamic.
Arukutera tochi omu byafaayo bya non-aligned movement, President Museveni yasiima bagitandikire ahabw'okugira ekiteekateeko eki.
Our elders who started it did us a great service because they achieved a number of things. Number one, neutrality. At that time, there was a conflict between the socialist camp and the capitalist camp. And our elders said, no, for us we want to be neutral. We don't want to take sides. We want to judge issues on merit. And it helped us. And now, it is even more important. Because I can see there's a lot of intoxication.
Orukiiko oru nirugumizamu ahari Speak Resort Munyonyo bagendereire kutunguura enkwatanisa omu mahanga ga Africa. Amakuru agagashakwa Ivan Nyesiga, Abwatayari West, omu Kampala.